Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Beam token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Beam is the native cryptocurrency of the Beam network, a community-driven blockchain ecosystem built as an Avalanche subnet and focused on frontier technologies like gaming, AI and DeFi, network fuel and security. Beam is required to pay for transaction gas and in the future will be staked to secure the network through a proof of stake mechanism. EVM compatible platform. The Beam network operates as an Avalanche subnet offering Ethereum virtual machine EVM composability for easy development and deployment of smart contracts. Multi-virtual ecosystem, initially known for gaming, Beams has extended into dedicated virtuals introducing AI, compute and decentralized finance DeFi. Beam token total supply is 58.47 billion and circulating supplies around 49.46 billion. Beam token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.